अस्सलाम वालेकुम, माय नेम इज़ आशिर। मैं स्काई इलेक्ट्रिक में एज अ सेल्स मैनेजर काम कर रहा हूँ नॉर्थ में। आज हमारे साथ हैं शाहरुख साहब। इन्होंने हमारा सिस्टम लिया है 15 किलो वोट का।
जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मेरा नाम शाहरुख इफ्तिखार है एंड आई एम बैरिस्टर स्लैश लॉयर बाय प्रोफेशन।
सर मुझे बताइएगा कि सोलर पे क्यों शिफ्ट किया आपने?
Actually, the reason for deciding to go into solar is that in Pakistan we're seeing a major energy crisis. So not only are we not getting electricity, we are also getting very expensive electricity. Now we can see the entire world is transitioning towards alternative means for acquiring energy, and I feel that, and as the consensus with my family was that we should switch to solar sooner than later, because we will end up in a point where we have no energy, and that's going to be a very alarming situation because everything is now done on electricity.
अच्छा ठीक है सर, आपने सोलर तो सेलेक्ट कर लिया, लेकिन वाई स्काई इलेक्ट्रिक?
One, I felt that within my community we knew multiple people who had already gone to SkyElectric and were very happy with the services that they gave. I, on the other hand, vetted multiple other agencies, multiple other businesses where they were providing solar services. Some were providing panels, some were providing the generator, somebody was providing the wiring. I felt nobody was giving very good turnkey solutions, and price points were varying. So in that state, we've been hearing that the oldest brand for solar is SkyElectric, and I felt that since they're the most established brand, then they have a very good presence in Pakistan. Especially when I visited their offices, I thought they have a very professional team, and there are quite a few individuals who are on a daily basis are looking as to what is happening with the machine. So I thought that is now the person that I want to choose. That is the company I want to choose. It has to be a professional setup, and in Pakistan, after sales is everything. So that's why I decided to go with SkyElectric.
ठीक है सर, आफ्टर सेलेक्टिंग स्काई इलेक्ट्रिक आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा स्काई इलेक्ट्रिक के साथ? मुझे सारा बताइएगा, सेल्स से लेके डिज़ाइन, ऑपरेशंस, आफ्टर सेल्स कैसा रहा?
I've had a very positive experience with SkyElectric. Breaking it down to operations, their team, I was approached by their marketing team, and I was approached by other sales officers. They were very intuitive. They knew what they were talking about. They knew the answers to my technical questions. They were available at odd hours in the day. They were able to cater to my needs. I required the machinery to come in on one day. I required the installations to be done on another day, and I felt that there was very good monitoring in terms of the services that were being given. There was a team which was sitting behind, which inserted cameras, and through those cameras they were continuously monitoring what was going on. As soon as I would have a problem, there were multiple forefronts for me to call. There wasn't a single number. I could call the sales team, I could call the project manager, I could call another number, I could call a UAN number. So all of those things combined together made my transition. And after I have gotten my solar, for the smallest thing and for the biggest thing, I can just pick up a phone and I can call people, and as soon as I call them, I know that within 24 hours, 24 to 48 hours, somebody will be present either at my premises or my place of work, and they will resolve whatever issue there is. I would personally love to recommend SkyElectric for anyone who's actually looking to get a professional service, who are looking to ensure that whatever items are being installed in their house, these are real items. They can be checked through third parties, and you know what you're actually getting is brand new. There's nothing which is used. So in Pakistan, I feel that there is a lot of discrepancy there. So I will highly recommend that you go for SkyElectric.